Does anybody know what that is? Last year I had tomatoes planted in that pot. They all died. And this sprung up, we thought it was a weed. But now there's like this little, is that, did I discover like a perennial tomato plant? What's going on here? I don't know. He wants to be a taste tester to see if that's a tomato or not. And my lemons are doing well. I haven't been outside in a while, so I'm just happy to be out here. They're not turning yellow. I don't know why. My poor orange tree looks so sad. I can't wait to take it home. Oh, green onions that Bobby planted reluctantly. I will post a link to that video. It was funny. Today we're just gonna do basic baked chicken. Just basic, yeah. Something easy and simple and healthy. The next week, next few days to come, or whatever, I'm gonna do lasagna this weekend, so I'll probably package it and then make them portions and then freeze it after it's cooked and deboned. It's been exactly 1 hour so far. Let me pull this out. It's definitely not done. Doesn't even look done. Let's see. Sticking a fork in it. No, it's not.
It ain't done.
I know it's not. Shut up. Been 2 hours. We are done. That looks amazing. Now I just need to get it off this heat. Get off all this stuff that's underneath the rack and let it cool so I can debone it. Yep. Just in case you want to know for sure, if you have a thermometer, stick it in the thickest part where 99, about 100 degrees, or almost 200 degrees inside. And it says here 165. All right, we're done. I gotta watch that too. Okay. Go get this bird drained. It's cooked.